Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Victoria and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. So today I'm doing a, what month is it? August BOXYCHARM unboxing video. So if you are new and you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, then you should totally binge watch my entire playlist of all of my BOXYCHARM unboxings, and I will put that like up, yes, right there with the little eye. And if you just click on the little eye, it'll give you all the links and you can watch them all if you want to, which you totally should because they're really, really good. But so yes, so today we're doing August. So obviously I'm kind of doing this little intro discussion a little backwards because for many reasons, but I ended up doing it backwards. So today I'm going to discuss with you the box. So this is the little thing that you get in the box when you first open it, and just as like a little, make sure you screenshot that. You're welcome. But anyway, so the theme of this is Life of the Party, and that is the little theme of the box. I think that that's a really cute theme and really fun, and I will discuss products. So I will start with stuff that I have not personally used yet, but if I have used it, or wow, I have a lot of black on my finger. If I have used it by the time this video goes up and / have an opinion on it, I will put it down in the description box. So the first thing that I have not used and probably will not use yet is the Bang Beauty, what is this called? So this is what it looks like. My little box got a little smushed. So it is the Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner, and this is cruelty-free. I checked everything in this box actually is cruelty-free, which is cool. So this retails for $22, and like I said, I haven't used it. I don't mind it, but I usually never go for brown eyeliner. It's just not really something that I think about using or end up using, so this probably won't get used by me very much. I actually might end up giving it to somebody else. But this is the first thing in the box that I will not be using, but I'm excited because, hey, a gel eyeliner is a gel eyeliner, and it's cruelty-free, so that's really cool. So that is $22, and that is the first item in the box. The second item in the box I actually will probably use later on tonight, and I might insert a little clip here. This is the Ades New York, and we have gotten something from them before. Ades New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essential. So this is also cruelty-free. This is the Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, and it retails for $18, and I'm probably going to use it. It's supposed to make your cuticles like more hydrated, less old looking, yada yada yada. It's supposed to be really nice and nourishing for your nails and such. So that's really cool. I'll probably use that, and I will insert a video if I do video it, but it's not going to be that exciting, so you know. But I'll put my opinion of it in the description box. That was item number 2. Item number 3 I have not personally used yet, but I got my guinea pig to try it out, and I will insert some pictures and videos if I have any. This is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and these retail, we got 3 in the box, which is cool. And these retail for $13, so they're like just the typical, can you see that? You'll see it in the pictures of Tyler. But they are like gold and they stick right underneath of your eyes, and they're supposed to nourish and hydrate your under eyes and get rid of wrinkles and dark circles and stuff like that. So he didn't see a lot of difference. There's a spoiler for you. But they didn't feel bad, they didn't burn, they didn't have a weird smell or anything like that. And I read a bunch of reviews on them, like after the fact, and a lot of people said that they work for them, and like half the people say that they're kind of insignificant. So I don't know, it's kind of one of those things where it's affordable enough for you to try. So if you are interested in trying it, definitely check it out. And they are cruelty-free and paraben-free and phthalate-free and fragrance-free. So that's cool. The next thing in the box is something that I actually already have on my eyes, and I will insert my tutorial So I just showed you my tutorial using this palette, and this is the Laura Lee Party Animal, hence my background. Did you like? And my little ears? I just thought that that was a cute little touch and I wanted it to be appreciated. So yes, so this is the Laura Lee Party Animal eyeshadow palette. This is also cruelty free. It has 6 shades and a mirror, which is really cool. This retails for $19 and it's all very bright. So this is a matte shade, matte shade, matte shade, matte shade. This is kind of like a glitter-y shade, but if you blend it out with a blending brush, it ends up being matte. And then this is a shimmer shade. So I don't love this. I was really excited when I got it. I was really excited to try it. I really like the theme. I really like the idea. I really like the colors because you guys know that I do like colorful eyeshadows. Honestly, I really hated it. And that seems harsh, and it wasn't that bad, but just it was so long for me to blend, and so like the eyeshadow ended up looking decent. It doesn't look horrible, but I've only had this on for like 10 minutes now and it's already faded, and I just think that that's ridiculous. I'm not a fan of this. I don't have any issues like with her, not that I know her, but like I was excited when I saw this was coming. So I was very disappointed, and I may or may not keep it. I might give it to somebody, I don't know, but I probably won't use it again. My favorite shade, like the most effective shades I think that are in this palette, are the orange, which is Drinks, and Karaoke, which is that royal blue. The other shades in this palette were not up to par for the other colorful shades that I have in my collection, and I just was kind of underwhelmed, and I'm sorry. So the next thing that I used are the House of Lashes Siren Lashes, and these retail for, these are also cruelty free, by the way, and they came in a range of styles, so you could get one that's like $9 or you could get one that's up to $12, so that was the range you got. And these are said to be long lasting and provide up to 15 wears. I actually really like how these look. I do have a coupon code with Azerto Cosmetics, and I will put it on the screen, and these look very, very familiar to me, to the doll lashes I think it is that I have, and they look very, very similar, and I really appreciated that they have a clear band. They're really lightweight and they were really easy to apply, so really couldn't go wrong with either one. They're both around the same price point, so it's kind of a good win-win option for you regardless of whichever you pick. But I do have a coupon code. It doesn't really benefit me unless you buy like a lot of lashes, but yeah, so that's an option for you. But I was actually really pleased by these, and I'm really excited that I got them in the box, and I will definitely be using them again. So now I'm going to move on to the final products in this box, and to be honest with you, I'm not super pleased with it. I actually think that I hate it. I don't mind the formula, but I hate the color. So they gave you the option, it wasn't really an option, but they were giving out Smashbox lip products. So you could end up with a gloss, I think you could end up with a liquid lipstick, you could end up with like one of those ombre lips, and you could end up with a lipstick. And you guys know that I don't really like lipstick, and then I got a lipstick, and on top of that, it is not really a color that I think looks super flattering on myself. I do appreciate bright lips, as you guys know if you do follow this channel, but I do not personally like this shade. So this is the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick, and this is in the shade Bombastic, and I don't like this color at all. I'm gonna put it on and say you guys like it, feel free to pick it up, but it is just not the right shade for my skin. I don't know what is up with it, but I just don't like it. So here we go. The range in price goes from $21 to $24. So that is the lip color. It does not look nearly as jarring on camera as it does in person. Yeah, I really like the formula. It feels very smooth, very moisturizing, almost like a chapstick with a lot of color in it, and I friggin' hate the shade. All in all, I really liked the lashes. I'm excited about the under eye masks, and I'm excited about the oil. And that's kind of it. This month was slightly underwhelming because I was really pumped and I was kind of like, BOXYCHARM is a really good option though if you are one of those people who likes to try new things and likes to get a present in the mail every month. So this box had a value of $108, and I only paid $21 for it. So that's really, really good. I ended up getting $88 of product for free. And granted, I didn't love all the products, but you kind of go through like a hit or miss. And I was really excited about that palette, and I was really let down. So sad, but yes, so if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment if you have any suggestions for me, or any like looks you want to see, or any tutorials you want to see, or any games you want me to play. Whatever you want to see, I want to do. So, just let me know what you feel like you want to see down below. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram if you wanna. Hit the bell so you get notifications every single time that I upload. And I hope I see you guys in my next video.